All right, this is tip, tax, discount homework. Number one, the price of a motorbike is $1,500. How much do you need to pay if there's a 10% discount? All right, so the first thing we need to do is find what's 10% of $1,500. So we're gonna set our proportion up. Remember, it's always percent over 100 and the part over the whole. So in this case, it's 10% out of 100, and the total price of the motorbike is $1,500. So first we have to find the discount by cross multiplying. Get 100x, then multiply the other way. 1,500 times 10 would be 15,000. Then to solve for x, we have to divide by 100 on both sides. And when we do that, we would get 150. All right, so since we're talking money, that's $150. That's our discount. But they didn't ask what the discount was. They asked how much would we pay if there's a discount. So we learned in class, when you have a discount, you subtract that from the regular price. So what we need to do is take the $1,500 and subtract 150. So 1,500 minus 150 would be $1,350. All right, part B to this says now there's a sales tax of 8% that we have to apply. So how much will the motorbike cost after the discount and the tax? Okay, so we're going to do the 8% tax on the discounted price. So again, it's percent out of 100, but this time I'm going to use the price of $1,350. Actually, we'll just leave it as a whole number and put our X on top. You guys are going to do the same thing. You're going to cross multiply. Once you do, you'll find out what the tax is. But remember, this time, when you figure out tax, you have to take the price and we have to add tax on. All right, so pause the video so you can finish that one. All right, number two. The price of apples is $1.25 per pound. If you buy 2.5 pounds of apples and then you get a 20% discount, how much will you pay for your apples? Well, to figure out the price, we're going to take the $1.25 and we're going to multiply it by 2.5 pounds to figure out what the price would be. So it's $1.25 times 2.5 pounds. So since we're talking money, this is going to round to $3.13. That 5 gives it a shove up to 13. Okay, so now we're going to get a 20% off discount on the apples. So remember, 20 out of 100, and we're going to take the total price, which is $3.13, and we're trying to find what 20% of that is. You do that by cross multiplying. We get 100x, and then I would type in $3.13 times 20. You get 62.6. Divide by 100 on both sides. And since we're talking money again, we have 62 cents. However, that 6 is going to tell you to round it up to 63 cents. Now, this is a discount, so we're going to take the price of the apples and we're going to subtract the 63 cents because it's a discount. So I'm going to let you guys figure that out either by using your calculator or doing it by hand. So pause the video. Number 3, the price of a math book is $50, but you only have $35 with you. If you get a 20% off discount, how much more money do you need to buy the book? All right, well, first we have to figure out the discount, 20% off of $50. We'll figure that out by cross multiplying. And then you need to do 50 times 20 is 1,000. All right, we're going to divide by 100 on both sides. Okay, so I get 10. So since we're talking money, it's $10 off. So I have a $50 textbook, and I'm going to get a discount of $10. So remember, when it's discount, we subtract. So $50 minus $10 is $40. Now, if you have $35 with you and it costs you $40, we want to know how much more money do we need. So we're going to put our answer statement here. We'll just say you need blank more dollars. Okay, so it costs $40, you have $35. You guys fill in how much more money you need. Number 4, Peter's got $100. The price of a watch is $60. If Peter gets a 25% discount, can he buy 2 watches? Well, let's find out how much the watch is after the discount. So 25% of $60 would be set up like that. You're going to cross multiply. We're going to type in 60 times 25. And then we're going to divide both sides by 100, which gives us $15. So if 25% off is $60, we're going to take the $60 and we're going to subtract 15. So when I enter that in, 60 minus 15 is $45. And that's per watch. So they want to know, can he buy 2 watches? Well, if I bought 2 watches, that would be $45 times 2. That would be $90. So if he's got $100, you need to say yes or no. Can he buy the 2 watches if he's got $100? So down here, you're going to either say yes or no. All right, flip it to the back. Number 5, Vicki made some purchases at the Sunflower Market. She bought strawberries for $3.50, carrots for $2.25, and a bouquet of flowers for $9.95. If the sales tax is 5%, what will the total price be? Well, when you go to a market, if you buy several items, you need to total up those items by adding them all together. So that's your first step, is to get a total. Okay, once you get your total, we're going to find 5% of that total. I'm going to let you guys add that up and get a total. So then what we're going to do is we're going to find 5% of what your total cost is. So that total is going to go down here on the bottom. And then you're going to solve for x by cross multiplying. And then because it's tax, you're going to have to add the tax to the total. And I'll leave that one for you guys to figure out. All right, number 6. Your parents took you out to a family dinner. They want to leave a 15% tip for the waiter. If the bill's $42, what should the tip be? Okay, so this is an easy one. We're just figuring out tip, so we're going to just find 15% of $42. So once you cross multiply, the value that you get will be the tip. You don't need to add it on because it's just asking you what the tip will be, not what the total cost is. All right, number 7. The price of a new cell phone is $200 in shop A and $240 in shop B. All right, so I'm going to write shop A, shop B. It's $200 versus $240. If you get a 15% discount in shop B, where should we buy the phone? Well, I want to buy the phone where it's cheaper, so we need to figure out what 15% of $240 is. We're going to do that by cross multiplying. 240 times 15 is 3,600. Divide by 100. would be $36. So that's just our discount. Now we need to find the price of that phone with the discount. So I'm going to take the original price, $240, and I'm going to subtract the discount of $36. And when I do that, 240 minus 36 is $204. So you guys decide, what's the cheaper store, A or B? All right, last question. Macy's is having a one-day 35% off special. Sarah bought $124.50 worth of clothes. What would the 35% discount be? Okay, so first we're just looking for that discount. So you're going to set it up like this. Your total cost is going to go down on the bottom. Okay, you're going to cross multiply to find what your discount would be. All right, I'm going to let you guys solve and then figure out what the discount would be. Then they're asking you for 8% sales tax, and they want to know what the total would be after the discount and with the tax. So same thing, you're going to set it up. Once you get your discounted price, that price will go down here. And you'll have to cross multiply, and then just remember, because it's tax, you're going to have to take the price and you're going to have to add the tax on.